Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp. So today we're going to be talking about WPF. Okay, I haven't done a video for so long. Please subscribe to the channel. We're growing slowly but steady. So let's start. So let's create from scratch. So let's go to create a new project. Okay, right here. And it's going to open up. I got my WPF application. Let's open up. Oh yeah, let's create. Okay, that's it. Now right here, let's just change the name. WPF WPF one application or something like that. First application. Okay, let's go ahead and do next, and then yeah, let's create. All right. Let's see. So it's coming up. It will take just a second. Well. So let's see what we have. Okay. All right, it's creating. Is this waiting? Okay. How long are we going to wait? Let's see. So it's loading the designer and it's coming up in any second. Boom, right there. Okay, cool. So right here what we have is the following. So right here on the side we have the files. So we get a main window, SAML, and also we have the main window .saml.css, which it defines the code behind it. Okay, both of this define your WPF. Okay, let's start. Just a simple one. Simple. It's kind of pretty late now. It's 2:20. It's 2:20 a.m. Man, I should be asleep. I gotta get up early so I can go to work. But anyway, so right here, let's go ahead and do what we need. What we need to do. So in the title, on the main window, high. So we get a title main window, which is there. The height is 450. The width is 800. So in right here, we're going to change the font size. Font size, which is right there, and then we're going to do 20. Okay, and then right here in the grid, so we're going to create a button. Let's add a button right here. Capital button. How do you spell button, man? Come on, dude. And then we're going to close. Yeah, okay, cool. So now inside here, we're going to define this button. We're just going to do content equals, I'm going to say add, uh, let's just say click here, no, click click here for it's going to be a long button for a surprise. So oh man, come on dude, I can't even know how to spell surprise. Okay, so now what else do we want to add in here? So we just do the following. So we're going to do enter, and then we're going to do horizontal alignment. Okay, so right here we're going to say left. So it's going to the left, so it moves to the left. And then after that we're going to say vertical alignment to the top. No, Henny, we're going to say, yeah, vertical alignment. So yeah, that's there. So right here we're going to say top. So it's just going to move to the top, which it did. Okay, so then we're going to add a margin. So we're going to say 10. Okay, that's cool. So now also we're going to add a click event right here. So we're going to say click equals, and then we're going to say button add surprise. Surprise. Is that how you spell surprise? Yeah, okay. Cool beans. Now what we can do over here is you just do a right click and let's go to definition for the click event. So button add surprise. Supposed to be click. But anyway. Alright, so right here we're going to do the following. So let's go to our yeah, right here to our CS window for the main window. So right here we're going to add something. We're going to add a message box. A message box that show open closing parentheses, and then inside we're going to do a string, and we're going to say you won the surprise. I spell surprise. Oh man, the surprise. Yeah. Anyway, you understand. You won the surprise. Okay, we run this, and it will take just a second. Come on, bro. Come on. My computer's a little bit slow, man. Okay, now if you click that button, it should give me you won the surprise. You won the surprise. You won the surprise. Nice. That worked. That worked, bro. So alright guys, that was a pretty quick uh, um, video about WPF using SAML and using a click event. And yeah, so that was great. So hopefully this is just the start. It's just the first video on this and this topic, and we're going to keep doing a lot more. Okay. Alright guys, have a good night, and I'll see you next. Alright, so let's, yeah. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, we're growing slowly but steady. Thanks.